Alright, welcome everybody. Today's video finds us over here in Thailand Chan district of Bangkok. And we're going to go take a look at a temple I've been over to a few times, but it's always closed up. And it's open today for the special holiday, but we're not going to be able to see all of it. We'll be able to see the ordination hall. The Wehan and everything is closed up still. And they just open it up partially some of the time for special events, and today is Makha Bucha Day. So we're going to be able to see part of it. So I'm in Thailand Chan, and you can see I'm right here on a canal, and we're walking over. The temple's name, and I know I'm going to butcher it really bad, is Wat Ratchada Thitharn, warm your hand, something like that. I'll put the name of it in the video. And it was formerly called like Wat Ngoen, like the NG sound. And it was a early Bangkok era temple. It was built by the husband of Rama I's daughter. And then the temple deteriorated, and Rama I came in and restored it, and then he gave it to be a royal temple. So it's a temple that has royal patronage, so it's a nicer temple than what you'll normally see. It was kind of deteriorated again. Rama IV came over and restored it to its current condition. And there's a really important part of Thai culture here, where there's actually like a temporary throne that Rama IV and Rama V, two of the Thai kings, two really important Thai kings, actually stood on this site here for a picture. So let's look around and let's see what everything looks like. So that's the little canal on that side, and right here is the throne. So Rama V was on the back part, and Rama IV was right here on the front, and then other family members. And they have like a little write-up over here on this pedestal about it. It may be kind of hard to see, but this is the picture of the whole royal family. And Rama IV is, let's see here, I think this is Rama IV, and then Rama V is back behind him. And this is the temple complex. So this is a little shrine over here. They will have this open sometimes where people can go in and make merit. And then over here, this is the ordination hall. And I believe that it was completely demolished, and Rama IV built it from the ground up to what it is right now. And it looks like a fantastic building, but we won't be able to see inside of there. And then this is the main ordination hall. And this is the one that's opened up tonight. So we'll be able to see it. Now it is a Thai religious holiday. It's like the start of what they call Buddhist Lent. So it's Makha Bucha Day. So what the people will do is they'll come over here and they'll do a ceremony, and they'll circle the temple 3 times. And they'll carry the little flowers and the candles and joe sticks. And it is a working temple. So right here, this is the crematorium. And then they have the bell tower right here. And then they have another shrine. And again, it's another one that's locked up. I have seen it open, where there is a couple Buddhas right here, and the people will come and sit and make merit. But it's not open tonight since they have the ordination hall. And then over here, this is the library, and it's closed up also. And then this is the Wehan. Looks like there's a monk coming out from over there. I don't know if he's going to open it. I hope he does. If he does, we'll go in there and take a look. And we have a little temple cat. What you doing, kitty kitty? Meow. Yeah, she's a friendly little kitty. All right. Ow, and then she bit me. All right, so let's take a look at the front of this, and then we'll go into the ordination hall. And you can see the side of it here. Now, if you notice the columns, they don't have a top on them. A lot of times they'll have that flower on the top, but these are just the stone columns that goes right up to the roof. It's kind of a unique styling that they did to this building. And we won't be able to get in. The gates are locked up, so this is as good a view as we can get of it. Okay, so they're selling the little flowers and everything for their blessings. And it's a little harder to see all the detail, but this is all the gold and all the intricate designs that they have. And we have them up here fixing something. So this has the ordination stones right there. And then it has like a marble base of this temple. And it has a few of these little chetties all around. Looks like there's 4 on this side and 4 on the other. And it has the high porch in the front. Definitely Bangkok styling here. And it has all the gold and everything around the windows. And you see everybody circling the temple. And there's that little kitty again. She's found a good spot where she can have somebody come over and give her a scratching. All right, let's go inside. So the temple is immaculate. Has these really nice columns, and it has the red ceiling with all the gold painting, and it has the huge arch doors. It is massive. Yeah, the Bangkok styling, they built them so tall. And this is a real treat here. So you can see this has all the murals, and then there's the main Buddha image. So it'll have the story of the Buddha's life all around. And they're definitely Bangkok styling of murals. And they're really, really nice. They are in perfect condition. So I don't know when this was touched up in here, but it looks pretty recent. This is the back of the window shutters. And you can hear it has the Naga swimming and all the normal scenes that you see, all the animals. Yeah, these are beautiful. So this mural here, this is a pretty common scene. So you see the goddess of the earth right there, and it has the Buddha up above her, and then it has the giant that steals the moon. And so she wrings the water out of her hair and floods the world. And then just has all the different scenes with the Buddha figures. And then here, oh, this is kind of a cool looking mural. So they have the war elephants attacking the city, and the people are up there with guns and swords. Oh yeah, that's really cool looking. You can just see the detail work in their faces, has like a little beard, everything else. And then you can see how they carved these window shutters. So they're 3D, and then they put those little pieces of glass in between the wood. And then more murals up there. And then a really nice Buddha image. So this was cast in bronze under the reign of King Rama I. And it's in the subduing Mara pose, I believe. And then you can see more of the murals back behind there. So it has the Buddha, and it's the Bodhi tree behind him, and it has the umbrella. Yeah, it's really nice. So let's walk around really quick and see the outside of this. So you can see the base of the temple and all the work around the windows. It's getting a little dark, so we'll have to make this pretty fast. And then the little jetties. Now, I'm not sure if this was built on another temple that was here from the Ayutthaya era, but this building here is Rama I time frame. So this is 18th century. But I believe that this, when it was Wat Ngoen, or Nong, however you say it, and then Wat Tong was like two temples built by the same guy. It was they were the same guy or two brothers, one of the two. And that other one's the temple that you can see just on the other side of that canal. That's Wat Tong, which I think is like the gold temple. So here you can see, it's a nice look at that little wee hen. And you can't see the styling of the front up there. It has all the flowers, kind of the Chinese style. But it's a nice little building, and then they have a shrine right here also. And then it has the low wall here on the inside. And it doesn't have the arch. And then it's surrounded by another little low wall. It has the back porch here and the other side. Really nice styling. And everybody's out still doing the 3 loops. So they'll do 3 times around the temple. You got a guy over there banging on the drum. Now, I didn't notice it before, but this temple actually has a basement, and that monk just went down below there. Okay, so monks will do the same little flower ceremony here. So they're going to do some chanting, and then they'll do the flower thing around the temples. All right, so they're getting ready to line up. So the head monk, the one that was leading the chant, he'll be the one out in front of all of them, and the people should follow them around. This is the head monk here with the candle in the front. They're going around for another loop here. They'll do this 3 times. All right, guys, so I'm going to end the video there. They're still doing their little ceremony and stuff, but you get the gist of what they're doing. This is all going on for Makha Bucha Day, which is like the start of the Buddhist Lent. And I think from here they don't come out of the temple at night for the next 3 months. So they get up early in the morning, they go get their alms donations, and then they retreat back to the temple for the evening. And they still do their chants and all that stuff normally, but I don't know, they got a whole thing that they do about it. But anyway, this is a nice little temple. I wished it was open more often. I'd come over here and do a little better video of all of the buildings, but we got to see part of what we got to see. So anyway, if you like this video, make sure you click like. And if you know a little bit more about this temple than I do, you can tell me in the comments down below if you've been here, or if you want to see it, or if you have any questions, let me know. And smash the like button and subscribe and all of that. So this is a royal temple over here in Thailand. And again, I'll try to say the name. It's Wat Ratchada Thitharn, I think is how you say it. So anyway, from over here, remember guys, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.